Hey guys, Jason Geiman here with ChristmasLightsTraining.com. Welcome to the Christmas light community. So tonight I'm at one of the houses we did a couple days ago, and it's actually a pretty cool install. And I'll just show you what we got going on here. What we have going on here is we did C9 all the way around the roof here. So it looks pretty good, C9. This house we actually did in multicolor, the whole house. And guess what? They didn't want multicolor. We had to come back, and we had a little miscommunication, so we came back and fixed it. So we got all the red lights here in the bushes, and then our beautiful 60-inch wreath, we did leave it in multicolor. It also comes in warm white. And then we did this tree here, and I wanted to show you about how this tree here works. When it's a leaf, where it loses its leaf, naked tree, you can see the lights on the other side of the tree, so it really brightens it up. And two, right here on the trunk, this is important. With that trunk, it really makes that tree look good. So that is why we want to do a branch wrap up and then do the rest of the tree. But I just drive around here and hopefully I don't hit too many people. And I'll show you the other two sides here. So this is a pretty cool install. But if you have any questions about Christmas lights, please check out some videos here about installing on roofs and installing wreaths. Thanks and have a great day. Please subscribe.